Hey, it's Jess. Let's talk campaigns, the engine of the whole thing. A campaign isn't a search you run once. It's a standing order. The role you want, where you want it, remote or not, the salary floor that matters. You set it, and CoBlack works it around the clock. Searching, matching, applying, while you do anything else. Here's what a campaign is not. It's not a keyword filter. Type into a job board and you get every listing that shares a word. CoBlack reads the real job against your real profile and asks one thing: is this actually a fit? Titles lie. Fit doesn't. Now watch the reach. Every filter you add means fewer jobs. Look at this top campaign. Remote is switched off. Watch what happens when I turn it on. The discovered jobs climb. And hover any bar. CoBlack breaks it down, exactly what's narrowing your pool. Remote alone was hiding over 11,000 roles. More filters, fewer jobs. Lighter filters, bigger net. You can always tighten later. There's also the AI campaign. It's built for one thing: finding work you match, that you'd never have thought to search for. The roles just outside your own imagination. How CoBee pulls that off, we keep to ourselves. But know this: even his AI search obeys your filters. Box it in tight, and there's less he can surface. So keep the net light. You can sort the fine print with the employer once you're in the room. And here's the part people miss. You are not one job title. Run a product owner campaign and a business analyst one, a chef and a restaurant manager. Don't worry that your targets pull in different directions. For each job, CoBlack builds a resume from the parts of you that fit it strongest. Your job is just to tell the whole story. Spend the time on your profile. 3 campaigns, even on the free plan. Change your mind anytime. Campaign management is right here. Pause one, retune another, add a new direction. From now on, they run while you don't. That's campaigns. See you in the next one.